If you think meatloaf belongs in the oven, I'm about to change your mind. Today we're turning this comfort food classic into true backyard barbecue, using the products from this month's Grill Masters Club Sticky Situation Box. Let's go. Here's lesson number 1. Great smoked meatloaf starts with a premium seasoning. Mitch steer seasoning is an award-winning beef rub, and it gives this meatloaf a bold steakhouse-style flavor before it even hits the smoker. Skip the loaf pan. Smoke it on a wire rack so every side develops bark. That's one of the biggest differences between baked meatloaf and barbecue meatloaf. Once it reaches about 145 degrees, it's time for the star of this month's box. Sticky Fingers Smokehouse Classic Original Barbecue Sauce. Don't stop at one coat. A double glaze is what builds that deep, sticky, caramelized crust. Sticky Fingers Original combines rich brown sugar with an authentic cherrywood smoke flavor, and it absolutely shines on beef. This meatloaf is smoky, juicy, loaded with championship flavor, and proof that barbecue can elevate just about anything. Grab this month's limited release Sticky Situation Box, and we'll see you at the grill.